Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best drone real estate photography you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Ever wondered how top real estate agents make their listings look like cinematic masterpieces? It's not magic, it's the right drone. Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography to reveal the best drone for real estate photography that can instantly elevate your property shoots. If you're tired of dull, lifeless listings, this one's for you. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you find value here, don't forget, all product links are in the description so you can grab yours easily. Let's uncover the secret weapon behind breathtaking real estate visuals. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best drone real estate photography. Let's begin. On number 5 is Parrot PF728000. Imagine a drone so compact it unfolds in just 3 seconds, yet powerful enough to shoot stunning 4K HDR videos and 21MP photos. Meet the Parrot PF728000 Anafi. Designed for professionals on the move, this lightweight quadcopter is a secret weapon for real estate photography. Its f2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, 2.8x zoom, and burst mode make it easy to capture every corner of a property with cinematic flair. With a 25-minute flight time and rapid USB-C charging, you're always ready for the next shoot. Features like Smart RTH, Geofence, and Find My Drone add peace of mind, while software updates keep it future-ready. It's not perfect, there's no obstacle avoidance, but for sharp, detailed aerial shots that wow clients, the Anafi is one of the best drones for real estate photography out there. What do you think, game changer or just hype? On number 4 is DJI Mini 4 Pro. Can a drone under $249 truly transform real estate photography? Absolutely, the DJI Mini 4 Pro proves it. With stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR vertical video, your property listings gain instant cinematic appeal, no post-editing needed. It's the best drone for real estate photography thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making tight indoor and outdoor shots smooth and safe, even for beginners. The extended battery life, up to 45 minutes per battery, means you capture entire neighborhoods without constant landings. Plus, no registration hassles make it a dream for agents on the move. Whether you're showcasing luxury estates or cozy apartments, this drone delivers crisp, immersive visuals that sell. So, is it the ultimate real estate drone? Let me know your take in the comments. On number 3 is DJI Mavic 3. Did you know the DJI Mavic 3 can fly up to 46 minutes on a single charge? That's almost twice what most drones offer, and for real estate photography, that's a game changer. With its legendary 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, this drone captures rich detail, perfect for showcasing properties in their best light, from wide aerials to close-up roof inspections. It's truly one of the best drones for real estate photography, especially when you need both cinematic quality and professional reliability. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds a layer of confidence, even in tight urban spaces. Plus, the 15-kilometer transmission range means you can scout and shoot huge estates without ever moving your feet. But hey, what do you think? Is image quality or flight time more important for drone real estate work? Drop your thoughts below and let's talk. On number 2 is Autel Robotics EVO Lite. What if I told you the secret to breathtaking real estate visuals isn't a DSLR or a tripod, but the sky itself? Enter the Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus, a game-changer in aerial photography. With a 6K camera, 1-inch sensor, and adjustable aperture, this drone captures real estate in cinematic glory, sunset-lit rooftops, crisp property lines, and stunning wide angles that sell stories, not just spaces. Its 40-minute flight time, 3-way obstacle detection, and GPS return to home add reliability for pro-level shoots. While it lacks DJI's polish and obstacle avoidance AI, the freedom from geofencing, vibrant stills, and strong raw photo controls make it a solid contender for anyone searching for the best drone for real estate photography. What do you think? Does EVO Lite Plus have what it takes to elevate your listings to new heights? Drop your thoughts below. Now moving to the last one is Potensic ATOM 3. What if the perfect drone for real estate photography didn't require FAA registration and still delivered stunning 4K footage? That's exactly what the Potensic ATOM 3 offers at just $359.99. Weighing under 249 grams, it's incredibly travel-friendly yet packs a serious punch with a Sony CMOS sensor, 3-axis gimbal, and cinematic quick shots like rocket and boomerang, ideal for showcasing property listings. With 96 minutes of flight time, thanks to 3 batteries and a 6-kilometer range, it's built for all-day real estate shoots. The footage is rock-steady, even in windy conditions, making it a strong contender among the best drones for real estate photography. Beginners will appreciate the auto return and GPS stability, while pros will love the creative freedom. While it lacks advanced obstacle avoidance, the value here is unmatched. Would you trust this drone to sell your next property? So guys, this was the video about the best drone real estate photography. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.